Let's see how to delete all pictures, shapes, and objects in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you're working in a particularly long document and you want to remove all of the pictures, all of the shapes, the graphics, as well as the objects aside from text. And so what you can do is first off, look for the replace option under the home tab. And from here, type in this code to look for all the graphics and make sure that you leave this space right here, replace with blank. Now click on replace all. And as you will see, uh, Microsoft Word will automatically remove all of the pictures, the graphics, and objects that are not text. Now click on OK. Let's close this. And as you can see, all of the pictures are now gone. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.